Yo, good afternoon from Brisbane, Australia. So today I want to bring you to my tiny desk vinyl room, but I don't want to play some vinyl. I want to bring you to unboxing. I will unboxing Fujifilm 7300 millimeters for my more adventure. So next month I will go to New Zealand to finish road trip North Island, because last time I already visited the South Island. So next month I will exploring North Island, New Zealand. So that's why I need something more longer. That's why Fujifilm 7300 here now. Let's go unboxing. Let's do it. So what we have here, okay, a layer one, we got Fujifilm pouch. Let's open it. Let's see. So it's a pouch for lens. So you have look at that, it's like kangaroo pouch, but it's for lens. Yes, it's for cleaning too, for pouch too, yeah, whatever. So next it's a manual. Smells so easy. So yeah, it's like manual book. Okay, let's check next layer. Ooh, look at this. That's it. So here we go. We got the hood, 7300 hood. Let's check that. Look at that. Put your finger here. Fujifilm 7300. Hoodie. So here we are. Look at this. 7300. So it's lock, unlock, lock, unlock. So it's unlocked. See, it's unlocked. Oh, that. Ready? Whiz, 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 whiz. It's not too big. Or 300 millimeter. Just on my hand, like that. Clip, 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 clip. Cool. So this is, let's try. So if you lock, if unlock, sometimes it's going down. See? So better you should unlock, don't forget it. Okay, let's open. Ooh, look at that! Look at that! Yeah. Cool. See it? Okay. $67. Okay. So that's it. Handsome. So handsome. So handsome. Not only that one, I'm already have protector filter for this lens. 67 millimeter. Let's open. So this one is manual. Something like that. Let's open. Look at this. Japan. This phone. Oh, look at that. more handsome and more protection. Okay, New Zealand, I'm coming. North Island. Ooh. Sloop, sloop, sloop. Lock, don't forget. And give back again. And if you wanna put something like that, it's not bigger. That's bigger. So yes, this land I will bring to road trip North Island, New Zealand next month. Okay, see you next video. See you in New Zealand, North Island. Let's see where we go. See ya. Sampai jumpa di video berikutnya. Peace. Doraemon. Ciao.